Okay, today we're working on a 2002 Lexus CX430. So we got the code about the cam sensor. We got the code P1340, the camshaft position sensor, back one, sensor two. So we're going to remove it. So we need to remove this cover here because the sensor is inside this cover. So we need to remove it. We're going to disconnect this hose here, and then we're going to remove the cover. I'm going to try to not remove this hose here. I just going to try to take the cover out like that without removing the hose, but I'm not sure, it's the first time I'm doing it. So okay, so let's start, guys. So we're going to use number 10 millimeter. So we have 5 little bolts, number 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5 bolts. And let me see. And let's see. And we got the extra 1 bolt right there on the connector. I don't know if you can see it. So this cable right here is from the cam sensor. So that's hot. Okay, let me see if you can see the other bolt. So the other bolt is right there behind this connector. It's right there behind that. See, you can see that. So I have to remove that one too. We're going to remove the connector here, this connector. We're going to take the cover out. So okay, I'm gonna use a rack to disconnect the sensor here. So if I can just press it. Okay, there you go. So to remove the connector, just press this down and just pull it up. Press down and pull it up. Okay, so okay, so now you can see the bolt that is behind there. So we need to remove that one. Okay, so let's remove this bolt right here. Whew. That's tight. All right. I mean, I recommend that you let it cool down for like 2 hours because it's really hot. Okay, so I'm going to use my magnet. This bit. There we go. So here's a little nut. This not bolt, is a nut right here. So we got three more. Okay, so we got three more bolts. Here's one. Two. This one, and the other one is. The other one is right there. Three. So. I'm going to remove this one first. Man, it was really hard to remove this one. So we got three now, so let's go for the fourth one. Get this one. Come on. Okay. Okay, to remove this bolt, so I use number 10 and a little flex. So if it's perfect, so there you go. go. So we have one more to go. It's down there. Is this one right here. Yeah, you can see that. There you go. Okay, this one right here. So alright. Okay, so I just lose this bolt right here. Remove it. So you can see now the cover is out. Have to figure it out. Okay. Move this. Water line out of the there you go. And now we'll take it out. Let's see. So as you can see, the sensor is right there. You can take. Need to remove. So remove this little cover. So here's my cover, and my sensor is right there. This wire here, I'm not sure. So you got just one little, got two bolts to number 10. So let's remove them. Okay, just wire. So here's one. Here's the long one. This is number 2. Now we'll remove our sensor. There we go. Okay, so here's the cam sensor. So we're gonna get one from the dealer. Okay, so okay guys, so this is how to remove your cam sensor. So when you get the other one, but I recommend it to get it from the dealer, just put it back together. Say this one first and just do all the process by in reverse. Alright, and then just erase the code and just drive the car. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.